Welcome to the iMobie support channel. In this video, we'll walk you through how to activate Wipit step by step. Part 1. Create an iMobie account. You can sign in to Wipit using either your iMobie account or your Google account. If you haven't created an iMobie account yet, please follow the steps below. To get started, open Wipit and click the sign in icon in the top right corner. Then, select Create an Account. Enter your email address and click Create an Account again. Next, fill in your name and set a password. Click Continue to create your iMobie account. After clicking Continue, you'll be signed in automatically. Click the user avatar icon to view your account info, version details, and more. Once your iMobie account is created, you're ready to activate Wipit. Part 2. Ways to activate Wipit. There are 4 common activation scenarios. 1. That you purchased Wipit, but haven't signed up yet. To ensure a smooth activation, we recommend creating your iMobie account using the same email address you used to make the purchase. Once signed in, Wipit will activate automatically. 2. That you signed up and purchased Wipit within the software. When you purchase Wipit after signing up inside the app, your login email will auto-fill on the checkout page, ensuring seamless activation. 3. That you signed up and purchased Wipit outside the software. If you created an account but purchased Wipit externally, please make sure to use the same email during checkout. If the emails don't match, you can create a new iMobie account using the purchase email to complete activation. 4. Activate Wipit using an activation code. If you received an activation code from a third-party campaign or partner site, please follow the steps below to activate Wipit with an activation code. Sign in to your iMobie account in Wipit. Then, click the user avatar icon and select Activate by Code. And enter your activation code and click Submit. After that, your account will then be successfully activated. Part 3. Unbind your Wipit account. We prioritize your activation code security and privacy. If your previous computer is broken, sold, lost, or you're switching to a new computer and can't access the old one, please contact us with your Wipit account email, and we'll help you unbind the device and transfer the activation. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to our channel to stay updated with our latest contents. If you need further assistance, don't hesitate to reach out.